This is a patellofemoral joint technique, and we use this when we get some pain relief if we're applying a medially directed pressure on the patella, say when somebody does a squat down or a step up. And it also gives a very nice soft tissue offload for that infrapatellar region as well. So we need to measure the tape, and we're going to start on the adductors or our vastus medialis really, and run on an angle down and measure down to about the inferior pole of the patella. Around all our corners. Now we're going to cut the tape in two, and in order to get good purchase on the patella, it's best to try to make the outside tail of the tape a little bit wider than the medial side. Just tear your backing paper so that those two sections come off separately. We need to start on the vastus medialis or even onto the adductors and line up towards either side of the patella. So the lateral tail is going to come to the lateral edge, medial tail is going to aim towards the medial edge. If we start medially, sweep around and finish medially, we can create a slingshot effect and a medially directed force vector. If you start too far up, we need to create a real S-bend to get around this inside edge, or if we start too medially, the outside tail needs to curve too much to get around. Similarly, make sure that you split the tape far enough up. If you don't split it very high, again, it's hard to get around those angles. So place the anchor point down, ensuring that there's no tension. We then place the medial band first. These inside of the thigh is an area that breaks down quite easily, so be sure to hold that anchor point really well and then apply your tension to the tape. Just relax your quads, that's it. We're going to then place the medial glide on, making sure that we're not contacting the patella because we don't want to be pushing it laterally. So we're going to come underneath and use our fingers to sweep down. We can then come around and finish at another anchor point without any tension at this end. And this starts to box up this infrapatellar region. With our other tail, this is the one that's going to create our medial force vector. So we need to find the lateral edge of the patella. So if we push the patella laterally, we can pick up our lateral edge here. And we're going to aim down towards that lateral edge. So again, anchor, come towards that lateral edge. Smooth down with the thumb, then apply your medial glide through the tape. Hold that, sweep the fingers around, and then we need the tape to come in and finish medially to create that medial force vector. Again, pull the creases out from under the tape. And what we should see here, when we push on the patella, it's resting about halfway up the tape. And when the knee bends, that will tighten, and again, we're about halfway in. So we get a medial force vector, and we get this nice soft tissue offload in that infrapatellar fat pad region.